Real Estate Web Strategy Advanced. Hi, this is Key. This quick video is an intro to the four-part series that follows real estate web strategy success. This is the advanced part of that series that starts this coming Friday. And I want to give you a sense of what the series is about. There are 4 sessions over 8 weeks. So it's every 2 weeks you'll interact with me for about 2.5 hours. And it is a training that was set for live interactive training with Kevin Ahern at the Real Estate Training Institute. And the main idea behind it is to understand that your website needs to become your ally with proper SEO, with proper blogs, with proper video strategies, and the proper internet marketing. Remember, internet marketing means Google visibility. So let me give you a sense of the training. Like I said already, the system was designed to be available on Live Interactive with Kevin Ahern. I'll give you the contact information once I get into the explanation. Kevin Ahern is the creator of the Live Interactive system, and I've been training with him for the past year, and it's been working really well. Some of you who are attending this advanced strategy training have already attended the web strategy success training. So let me give you a short description. You learned in the web strategy success the foundation of internet marketing, your web containers, and the tools of internet visibility. In the next series, the 4th series starting this Friday, you will be focusing on a conversation about blogging strategically, driving Google visibility, backlinking, which is a very difficult topic for some people, and advanced strategy for search engine optimization. So we're going to build on the work that we've done in the web strategy success, and we're going to go into what I would call the advanced mode. Remember, internet marketing has a lot more to do with the work you do, not just the container that you get. You don't want to reduce it to just what website should I get. That's the mistake that most people make. So let me give you the intention of the course. Well, the course was designed to be practical, solution-driven, and focus on what's called on nuts and bolts with homework. This is not about theory. This is not about going, what are the theories behind SEO and how do you make them work? What are meta tags? And no, this is more practical. Yes, we will talk about the main ideas that you need to understand, but it's not the understanding that's going to make your website rank well. It is the doing. It's what you do with your container, your website, that will get you there. And for me, success on the internet is not an accident. It's not, you were, walking around and you found the website and hallelujah, you're on page 1. It doesn't work that way. There's a lot more strategy to it. So I create a distinction between what are called passive websites and active websites. So if you're attending this series, you are going to be what's called an active marketer. You're going to not be focusing on just how to work with buyers, but also how to start grabbing sellers using the internet. It is in fact your job to be a proper internet marketer. This is why actually buyers and sellers hire you, because you are the expert on those topics. And you want to understand that your website needs to become your ally. It cannot be passive. You cannot set it over there and hope for it to give you what you're looking for. Give you a quick sense about me. I'm an internet strategist. I've been training agents on how to build visibility using the internet. I actually am more focused on how to train agents on having good habits using the internet. One thing I learned a long time ago, and some of you will agree with me, the worst enemy of an agent is the agent himself. So they get something going really well, and sometimes they stop doing the work necessary to continue to grow their influence. I help companies reach page 1 of Google organically, and I do it through training rather than doing the work. I am an SEO expert, but I don't do the work. I show you how to do the work. I've always felt that the work of internet marketing was the job of the realtor. I have 2 master's degrees. I've been in the real estate industry for about 10 years. So I'm familiar with graphic design, with the ideas of web services, and how to psychologically think about your relationship with the internet. My style, I'm a little bit lively and excitable. I am very results oriented. My sessions are very lively, and a lot of people like them. My style is not meant to energize you. My style is just my style. It's just who I am. But I will be focusing on what it means to empower you by having the right habits. What can you do the right stuff to grow your influence? So let me give you the dates of the 4 sessions. Each session is about 2.5 hours long. They start all at 11 a.m. Eastern. The first one is this coming Friday, August the 31st. The session is called Am I Truly Web Connected and My Social Media Graph. September 14th, 2 weeks after that, we're going to be talking about this idea called carving your local markets for internet visibility. Uh, um, 2 weeks after that, or almost, yes, maybe 3 weeks after that, there is a gap here of 3 weeks. October the 5th, needless to say, it's blogging internally, topically, and with purpose to grow your visibility. And October the 19th, at 11 a.m., of course, Eastern, external blog posting methods and advanced backlinking strategies. As you notice, I talk with my hands. I'm sure you know that. So session 5 is going to be focused on, remember, this is session 5 because we've already done the 4 called Real Estate Web Strategy Success. This is Real Estate Web Strategy Advanced. Session 5 is called Am I Truly Web Connected and My Social Media Graph. And it has to do with what are the right widgets that you need to turn on your website to rank well? What are the right meta tags? And how do you decide which meta tag to worry about? There's a whole architecture you need to be aware of. And then we want to look at what are you connected? How do you know whether you are connected on the internet? Is a Facebook account by itself enough? What are the other social media visibility channels you need to have? And is it only about social media? That's primarily the ideas of session 5. Session 6, carving your local market for internet visibility. Carving the market is to realize that your local market is made up slivers of different markets. And if you don't carve it properly, you will not be able to target the right people in that market. You cannot have one landing page for everyone. You need to have multiple landing pages. So I'm going to show you what it means to carve a market, how to create landing pages, and how to stack them. So that's in essence session 6. Session 7 is called blogging internally, topically, and with purpose to grow your visibility. And one of the main ideas we're going to focus on in that is the concept of super pages. They are what's called tag-driven pages, and how do you create them in such a way that Google not only sees you for one topic, but sees you for multiple topics. So that's the essence of session 7, blogging internally and tagging in such a way that your website would be highly visible. Session 8, which is the last session of these 4 here, will be called external blog posting methods and advanced backlink strategies. Now, you want to have your visibility extend beyond your website because the algorithm that Google uses and Bing uses has to do with 2 main ideas for the most part. Content internally, links externally. It is this relationship that you have to have in the right measure in your website. So we're going to be talking about the concept of backlinking and then introduce an advanced topic called blog rolling. So that's session number 8. The contact for the series, as you can see here, it's Emma Ahern. You can see she's right here with Kevin Ahern. So to contact her, her direct number is 407-331-5738 or by email liveinteractivetraining@gmail.com. Here's what I want you to know. If you choose to come to attend the 4 sessions, come to work, really. Because this is not just about thinking, it's about implementation. You need to be in the doing mode, not just the thinking mode. Understanding SEO is not the same as implementing SEO. So my promise to you is that my sessions are informative, practical, empowering, and I promise you it will be worth every minute of your time. I want you to bring all of your SEO, website, social media, internet marketing, blogs, and tech questions. You can bring them all to me. I've been doing this for years. I will definitely have an answer for you. What I want you to also remember is you also need to bring with you a commitment to implementation. As I give you the homework, it is your job to do the homework as soon as you can. And if we build on little steps of the homework, you will notice that your website will start growing, and it actually works. I've done this many, many times. Your diligence matters. And I promise that I will be a lot of fun. And I want you to remember also to never stop prospecting. I don't care how much book of business you have, you need to continue prospecting. The internet is making it difficult to just rely on your book of business. So prospecting on the internet, prospecting in person are crucial to your business. I hope to visit with you at the series starting this Friday. I will see you if you are there. Take care, guys.